In today's video, I'll show you how to change DNS server settings on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first what you have to do is just go to search and search for settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. And after you have done that, from the left-hand menu, just go to network and internet. And after you're here, just go to advanced network settings. And after that, just select the Ethernet or Wi-Fi that you're using. Currently, I'm using this one, which is the Ethernet Network 2 Realtek PCIe GB family controller. So I'll expand this. And after you do that, you'll find an option called More Adapter Options. But before that, as you can see, everything here is moving. The speed is going up and down. The bytes sent and bytes received is changing. That means I'm using this one. Now, if I go to another one, I won't see those options here. That's because I'm not using those. So it's definitely this one that I'm using. And after that, you can click on More Adapter Options. Just click on Edit. And after you do that, you'll find an option over here, which is the Ethernet Properties. From here, just go to IPv4, which is Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Properties. And after you do that, just go to Use the following DNS server. Then in here, just type in your preferred DNS server. You can either put it from Google or from Cloudflare or from any other service provider. So I'll just provide the Google's one and click on OK. Then just click on OK again. Then just restart your computer and your DNS will be successfully changed. And basically that is it. And that is how to change DNS server settings on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.